Special delivery just for you.
Come on, Bobo. Let's find another adventure.
This keeps my drink cold all day.
Even while you're working?
Absolutely, it's always right here with me.
में आपका स्वागत है। हमारे पास सबसे अच्छे नए गार्डन टूल्स हैं।
रुकिए, क्या ये मिट्टी गाजर तुरंत उगाती है? एक दोस्त के लिए
Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Jigyasa. I'm your host Ashish, and we are back with another thing. Yeah, so LTX 2.3, as you all know, there are a lot of use cases of LTX 2.3. You can use it to create videos very fast. Like 1.2 takes a lot of time, but LTX 2.3 is so good. And it's an audio video model. And after that, there is like IC-LoRA. They launched a new training method for IC-LoRA, LTX 2.3, and people are creating a lot of things with it. And there is one IC-LoRA reference edit, which can basically use a reference like this and create a video. So as you can see, there's like reference sheet here, and you can use this reference sheet and create a scene. You don't have to create a lot of images first and then create a video. You can just create a video by defining the scene. So basically, this character sheet is very useful to create video scenes if you want to. Basically, if you want to create a product scene, if you want to showcase a product, if you want to create a small scene where two people are talking, like the IC-LoRA dual character, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that today, and the workflow will be free for you as usual. So yeah, as you can see, this is the older LTX workflow, right? This is everything that I need. Basically, this is a good workflow. I don't need to change it. All I need to change is the model LoRAs, and if I want to add some conditioning based changes, I can do that. But other than that, everything is fine here. ComfyUI memory visualization. If you want to see your like how much ComfyUI is taking your RAM or VRAM and all this, if you want to check that, you can install this node by Kijai, ComfyUI memory visualization, and you can see how much your GPU or CPU is taking load, basically. Yeah. So shout out to Kijai for making a lot of nodes. This guy never sleeps. So basically there are two LoRAs, one by LTX itself and another one is by Lykon reference LoRA, yeah, multiple subject LoRA. So there are two LoRAs here which does the same thing, and I checked side by side. Let's see some examples, right? Again.
Nothing beats a cold drink after a long quest. Pure magic.
As you can see, the object here is also here, but not so good. The background is also same. The character is good because the reference sheet is there. And I don't know about this Hawaiian shirt. What is it doing here? But the drinking can is also here, and everything is nice. Nicely integrated in the video. See another one.
Welcome to Greenfield. We have the best new garden tools.
Hold on. Does this dirt make carrots grow instantly? Asking for a friend.
Okay, I don't know about the dialogues, but as you can see, it does a very good job. The text is also aligned like Greenfield Home and Garden, not garden, but all right, tried. And this is also not good. But you get just don't write text that much in the videos if you're using reference video, right? So you get the idea, right? I'm not playing all of these. This is also nice.
Big guy. But the pass is just over that ridge.
I'm showing you this because I love mountains. So this is some kind of my vibe, so right. As you can see, the LTX 2.3 with 2 billion parameter IC-LoRA ingredients and some other details. If you want to get into this and you want to learn like what it does and what is the tips and tricks of this model or the LoRA, you can definitely go here and check it out. As you can see, there's a reference sheet here, generated video. This is the prompt, how to use prompt. This is the guide. So use this and your render will be better, your generated video will be better. So yeah, this is one, and the LiconStudio, this is also something exactly the same. So yeah, what you have to do is just go to files and version, go here and download this, right? And you have to download it where? Go to ComfyUI and in the models, model LoRAs, put it here, right? Put your LoRAs here, and that's it. Do the same thing with this. Go to files and version, here Lykon MSRV1, download this one, download the LoRa and put it in the folder. Got it? This is also a version, but this is the older version. This is the newest version, V1. So download this one. And you can test it by yourself, right? Now, after downloading, everything is exactly same as you can see here, right? The JAMA build. This is the IC-LoRa workflow, by the way. So you can, if you don't want to download the workflow, you can do it yourself if you want to practice it, like how to change everything, like, right? So first thing first is create. Basically, I was creating something different. So sneak peek basically here, as you can see, I'm working on something which will end all of this, everything. You don't have to use all of this. So ingredients, yeah. So I'm using low diffusion model, and I'm loading a distill version of LTX 2.3, 22 billion model. Distill model, why not? Then I'm using, just forget this and this, I'm using Lykon MSRV1, right? I'll show you both the quality comparison, and but first of all, let me show you the Lykon MSRV1, how this thing works. I'm using 0.9 strength because I like to leave some for the creativity, right? I don't go full one strength, I don't go 100%. So, and after that, I'm using a LTX 2 19 billion IC-LoRa detailer, which refines the details even more. And then I'm using LTX 2.3 crisp enhance LoRa, which basically give you more exposure, a more saturated, sharp video. So I'm using that also. 0.65, 0.8 is the strength, and that's it. This is it. No, that's not it. So I'm using 10 seconds duration, right? You can go with 5 and whatever. I'm creating a 720p video, like half SG, and this is the image that I'm using as a reference. As you can see, reference video. The character is on top, the ice cream truck on the bottom row, is ice cream cone as a prop, and the background. And there's this prompt that I wrote. This is the prompt, and this is the video.
Thank you so much. Uncle, one big vanilla ice cream, please.
Of course. Here comes your favorite.
Thank you so much.
Let's create another one. Before that, let me show you, like, I'm using a, I'm going to use a different seed. I'm using 10 steps. You can go with 8, you can go with 6 also. I'm using 10 steps, and you can go with 12 also, right, for better quality. If you're using a BF16 model, you don't have to bypass anything, because we are not using here anything that is related to distill LoRa, right? So I don't have to bypass anything. And that's it. If you're using BF16, just pump up this steps to 20, put CFG 4 or 3.5 for time saving, go for 4, right? And that's it. Hit the run button, and you have a video which is much better than this one that I already created, right? All right, everything is done. Now let's see what kind of video we get. So I'm not going to use this one. So let's create another one. I'm going to use something else, like this is the character sheet, and I already change the prompt. So let's see. So I'm using Lykon again, Lykon LoRA MSR. Let's see how it works, and then I'm going to compare it with the Ingredient LoRA, which is by LTX 2.3. Let me do a comparison and see which is better. So one more thing, if you want to generate this kind of reference sheet, and if you want a prompt also that is based on this reference sheet, like the story that is created, and if you want that, I can provide you that instruction prompt that you can use in ChatGPT, and just give it an idea and it will give you this reference sheet and the prompt also. So before that, what you have to do is just subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment done, and I'll provide you the instruction prompt for free, obviously. Not free, it's a barter system, I think, but you get it. So the generation is done. So what I've created, I created two videos, one with MSR and with the ingredients, the LTX 2.3. Okay, I'll give you 2-3 seconds to just guess which LoRa is this. Okay, so this one is the ingredient one. I think I used one strength, and this is 0.9 strength with Lykon. Both are good. So you can create both, you can create and see for yourself what is good for you. So yeah, this is it. Use this to create videos using reference sheets. Yeah, before I go, I want to share something. I'm going to create a one more workflow of this. This you will get in the description for free. I'm going to create one more where all the images like this, I've generated this using ChatGPT, but I wanted to create something inside ComfyUI which can create the whole character sheet and the video prompt also based on this. So I have created this reference sheet. So basically what it does is it takes your idea and uses that idea and pass the information from it, create prompts, like different prompts, like character sheet, the background, the props. It creates the prompt and then generate images using that prompts, and then it will club them into a reference sheet, and using that reference sheet it will create a video prompt for this reference sheet. Give it an idea like what is it that you want in your video, what actions that you want. It will create that video prompt using the reference sheet that you have, and use both of these. So I will use this, integrate into this in this workflow, and I'll share this in my buy me coffee page. Yeah, that's it. And again, read videos, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.